get some dinner early today because we are leaving. Dinner is sorted, people. Now, with the COVID situation heating up even more, all the other sailing boats had left for civilization, which I thought was a mistake. Sailors were heading to Isla Mujeres, Mexico, Guatemala and Panama. Margarida was still very worried for her family in Portugal, but I thought we were in the best place we could be. Our supplies were going well, except for the fresh stuff, which had to be eaten regardless. We were doing okay, but having said that, I had heard there was a place where the trawlers would give us some shrimp for some rum. Margarida loves shrimp, so we thought we'd go check it out. What an awesome day to be alive. We're leaving Cayo Alcatraz. Bloody awesome here, loved it. We're heading up this very, very broad channel. It's 2.5 miles wide. I think it's called the Grand Canal, surprisingly. And we're heading, it's only 20 miles, but it's all into wind. Place called Cayo Cuervo, where there's some prawn fishermen. That's where they lay up for the night. So we might be able to deal with some rum and get some fresh prawn. That's just awesome. Well, I'm going to have to start heading more into wind. We're in about 30 feet now. We were in 20 feet before with isolated bombies, but we can't get too close because we're going to hit. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. Well, it's glassed out, as we knew it would, because of the diurnal variations, especially from the north. What we do is we get a calm in the afternoons, but we can see our destination up there. It's looking pretty good. I cannot wait. We'll be there in plenty of light, so it's all good. I can see some white sand. I can't see any shrimping boats yet. I certainly hope they're there. Right, I'm gonna get back to the helm and try and bring it in, because there's some shoals and some piles and there's a wreck apparently. So right, we're here. How nice is this? It's just so peaceful. Margarida, go! Yay!
Now, Mozi, no, sand flight left.
Jump and jump, have fun. Yeah, look how much fun we're having.
It's not going to be fun at all.
Margarita's on strike from having fun. So you're going to have to get double the fun from me, people. I know you might be able to handle it. You're just going to have to put up with it, all right? Where is the horizon, people? Where does the world end and where does heaven begin? This is one of the many topics that we contemplate when we have no TV. Another one is how many Smarties can you fit in your mouth? All important topics, yes, indeed. We are completely surrounded by a circular string of cays. How awesome! Just landed the drone. I took off in glassy conditions and then all of a sudden, bang! Normally this comes through not quite this early. Usually just after sunset or an hour or two after sunset. But this means it's going to be pretty strong tonight, so it might be 30 knots. So we're in a completely enclosed lagoon, bloody awesome. Strong wind's going to be coming from there and there. So I think we're all sorted. We've got 50 metres out. Bloody beautiful. No shrimping boats. They're about 5 miles that way, I think. Well, we might have to go to that cape. Margarita's not happy. A new day begins, but there is no sign of any trawler. But with the drone, I can see about 8 mile away there are some fishing trawlers at another bunch of cays over there. So we'll just have to check that out tomorrow. But for now, there is a bit of wind, so it's off to try and teach Margarita to kite surf. I reckon we have stuffed around too long in the morning on the boat and the wind is beginning to drop, which is not ideal for beginner kiters. We need good, strong, constant wind, but we go check it out anyway. Margarita doesn't want the birds to poo on her. A bird pooing on you in Italy is good luck, I explained, but Margarita reminded me that we are in Cuba and apparently it's bad luck. What do you reckon? That's good.
Nah. Jesus.
Smells good. Smells like my armpits on a good day. You would think that there would be coconut palms galore around here, but there are few, and we struggle just to find waterlogged coconuts of dubious quality. Maybe Castro had them all shot. Finally we find a good one. There aren't many around. Now to hunt for a place where Margarita can swim and sunbake and collect some more shells. More shells, you say? Yep, I think I'm going to need a bigger boat. Yeah, check it out, Margarida Island. How nice is this? Not 5 seconds on the island and Margarida is on the hunt for shells. What do you think? Hey look, there's a nice shell over there. Little one. No? This is bloody beautiful. And wouldn't you know it, the wind's stronger here because there's no islands in the way. So, there you go. There you have it. If you're ever going to take up kite surfing, a big part of kite surfing is called kite waiting. It's waiting for the bloody wind. In this case, we're in the wrong spot. But it's a bit touch and go anyway. But it's just shallow for like miles until that other cay over there. So this is another really, really good spot. Here?
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
It's just a lattice of roots and it comes out. It's like a little ledge underneath. These islands are eroding away just like the Sandblast Islands. It won't be too far away when all these islands are gone.
Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone.
There are conch all over the place here in Cuba. You don't even have to get wet.
Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
What do you got? Oh, how nice is that? That's how it's done, people. Collect a few shells, say how nice they are, and Margarida's world COVID problems melt away. Well, not quite, but it's better than saying they're there. Did you die recently? There's Hootia tracks here, that's that little big rat thing. How the hell did they get here? And there's not much of an island. I mean, in a big storm, this would be inundated, so they must go into the trees. Alright, time for relaxing. Perfect spot.
To get back the life I used to know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Linked by a ribbon of reefs to where we are now, there looks to be another group of cays up ahead. It also looks like these cays surround a lagoon. Let's go check it out. In southern Cuba, there are hundreds of these islands without a soul on them. Crystal clear water, all kinds of seafood in absolute abundance. It is bloody awesome. I thought I'd check this island out. It's about 1 mile away from where we are. I left Margarida sunbaking naked on the beach, so I hope she's all... What the hell am I doing? Coming, Margarida! I'm coming, Margarida! Continue sunbaking naked! And that was exactly how it happened, people. No BS there at all. Well, maybe just a bit.